Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that a man said, I shall give in charity tonight. He went out with his alms and put it on a prostitute's hand. In the morning, the people conversed that a man gave a prostitute the charity last night. He said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, all praise due to you. To a prostitute I gave the charity. I will definitely give alms. He then went out with alms and put it on an affluent person's hand. In the morning, the people started discussing that a rich person was given charity last night. He whereupon said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, all praise unto you. A wealthy person got my alms. However, I will definitely give alms. He again went out with the alms and put it on a thief's hand. In the morning, the people again declared that a thief was given the charity. He said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, to you be all praise. An adulteress, a rich, and a thief got my alms. Then a comer came to him and told him that your alms had been approved. You gave an adulteress the alms, so she might therefore refrain from adultery. You gave a rich the alms, so he might learn a lesson and start giving alms from the wealth Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had bestowed on him. And you gave a thief the alms, so he might eschew larceny due to it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2359.